Hi there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to use that auto clicker on iPhone. It will make your life easier here. So first things first, I want you to open your settings. From here, I want you to look for accessibility. It should be this one right here. Again, this is settings. This is the landing page of settings. So accessibility, click on it. Now from accessibility, I want you to look for switch control. Now where can we find switch control? It should be this one. I'm gonna hold it so it can be highlighted so you guys can see it. Now, once we're in switch control, I want you to look for switches. So we have two options here. The very first part, it's switches and recipes. So again, click switches. When you have switches in, I want you to add a new switch. You can see here that it has a few options: external, screen, camera, back tap, or sound. I want you to click on screen. Again, full screen. So once you click on full screen, it will redirect you on the actions here. So you have a few actions here for scanner and system. It has select item, scanner, or tap, app switch, or something like that. Now from here, I want you to click on tap. Since this is an auto clicker, I want you to click on tap, okay? Now, perfect. Now, since we click on tap, I want you to go back and go on recipe. From recipe, I want you to click on create new recipe. From here, just name the recipe first. Let's just say auto clicker. Perfect. Now from here, I want you to assign a switch. You can see here full screen as the thing we did earlier. Click on full screen. It will ask you to what actions do you want. Tap middle of the screen, right to left swipe, something like that. But since we're making an auto clicker, we're gonna go for custom gesture, okay? So click on custom gesture over here and just click on anywhere here. So I'm just gonna click over here. Perfect. Now that's done. Click on save. From here, I want you to go on launch. How do we launch that? Again, do not mind timeout yet. Do not mind timeout, okay? So go back, and as you can see here on launch recipe on the lower part, it has none. So let's assign our auto clicker. This is the auto clicker right here. I'm highlighting it as of now. So launch recipe, let's just choose our auto clicker, the one we deemed earlier. Once it's assigned, it's already on the launch recipe. Now, since we're there, I want you to go back on settings, the very landing page of settings, so you won't get lost. From here, I want you to click on accessibility. Once we're in accessibility here, I want you to go at the very bottom part and look for accessibility shortcut. It should be this one over here. As you can see, it's off. Let's just turn that on, okay? Now once you're here, you're on accessibility shortcut, I want you to click on triple click set. Give it a second here. Now it's gonna ask us to which shortcut are we gonna assign. Since we have a few shortcuts here, it's AssistiveTouch, background, something like that. Now once we're here, I want you to click on switch control. Make sure switch control is enabled as I did earlier, this one right here, because sometimes people has this one right here, magnifier. Once they click triple click their power button, they will have a magnifier. Anyway, for this discussion, let's just choose switch control. Once you enable it, go back, and that recipe will be the earlier auto clicker. It should be set and enabled on your iPhone. Just click on your power button for 3 times, and that should do it. It can click on whatever app you're opening as of now. So since it's enabled, let's check it on notes. I suggest you try it on notes. Once you have your notes open, just create a new one and then click your power button 3 times here, and you'll see it will write here whatever you have. For example, let's use a pen. Let's choose a color here. I'm gonna choose red or something light so you can see it. From here, I'm just gonna draw something here, something like that. It's not showing up. Give me a second here, guys. I think it's because my background is dark. Oh, there you go. It's showing up, right? So as you can see here, if you tap your power button 3 times, it will automatically click anywhere here on the notes. But since I'm screen recording right now, I cannot tap my power button even once, or it might stop the recording. Anyway, if you tap your power button 3 times, this is what you should expect to see. Once you tap your power button 3 times, you're gonna have this prompt accessibility shortcut. It will ask you which one of the shortcut are we gonna use. Since we have auto click available earlier, or we enabled it, just please click on that one, okay? And it will enable that one for you. And that's how you use auto clicker on iPhone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.